Alright everyone, welcome back to RoamTips.com. Today we're going to walk through how to manually update your iPhone. It's a pretty straightforward process, so let's jump right in. First things first, you'll need to head into your iPhone Settings app. Once you're there, scroll down until you see General, and give that a tap. Next, at the top of the General settings, you'll find Software Update. Click on that. Your iPhone will automatically start searching for any available updates. If there's an update ready to go, it will pop up right here on the screen, just like this iOS 17.6 in my case. If you see your current iOS version and no update available, that simply means your iPhone is already up to date, you're good to go. Now if you prefer your iPhone to handle updates automatically, tap Automatic Updates at the very top of the software update screen. Make sure the iOS Updates toggle is switched on. I also highly recommend enabling security responses and system files. This ensures your phone automatically installs crucial security updates in the background, keeping you safe and sound. Okay, once that's sorted, head back to the main software update screen. Here you'll have the option to update now or update tonight. I'm going to choose Update Tonight for this example. You'll then need to enter your iPhone passcode. After you enter your passcode, your iPhone will begin downloading the update. It will then prompt you to install it. Keep in mind that for the update to proceed, your iPhone needs to have at least 50% battery and should be plugged in and charging. And that's it. A really simple way to update your iOS. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. And if you have any questions or comments, drop them down below. Also, don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks. This was all based on my own personal experience, and I've included some helpful links in the description below. Thanks for watching.